Get BlackBox AI Pro Max free for 1 month. In this video, I will show you how to claim it step by step, clearly and honestly. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Let's start the video.
Polestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
If you want Duolingo Super for free 1 month, then please visit my YouTube channel. I had already created a video about how to get Duolingo Super for free 1 month. Or you want Adobe Creative Cloud 4 month free, then please visit my YouTube channel. Here you can see Creative Cloud Pro 4 month free trial. Or you want free domain, then also visit my YouTube channel to get free domain from namezip.com. Or want CapCut free for 30 days, then please visit my YouTube channel. I had already created a video about. Now let's this video about BlackBox AI. Then first of all, you will need to go to blackbox.ai. Here you can see this is the BlackBox AI. Then click on this get started for free. Sorry, my internet is slow. Sign up with your Gmail or GitHub. Then here you can see credit. Here you can see click on this pricing, then click on this Pro Max, get Pro Max. It will to redirect Stripe page. Now I will give you a promotional code. Simply paste here. Click on this add promotional code, then paste this, or you can type this. Click on this apply button. Here you can see the before discount code price is almost $40 and now it's only 9.99 cent. Simply add here your card and date of expiry and CVV, card holder name, choose your country, then click on subscribe. You'll subscribe BlackBox AI. Or you can also choose another in a discount. Here you can see Pro Plus in $10, get Pro Plus. Here you can see Pro Plus $19, and after the offer 50%, you need to pay $9.99. But it's better to buy BlackBox Pro Max because the price is same after using my coupon code. My coupon code is this. Sorry, I can't paste here. This NAMISS26. So if you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching video. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.